Since time immemorial, humanity has gazed into the night sky, mesmerized by the twinkling of distant stars. Space is not just an endless void, but a vast expanse filled with mystery, beauty, and fundamental questions about our existence. Studying the stars and the universe not only expands the boundaries of our knowledge, but also offers a unique cosmic perspective that can change the way we perceive the world, our problems, and our place in the grand fabric of existence. It is a journey from the microcosm to the macrocosm, allowing us to realize our insignificance in the scale of the universe and, at the same time, our uniqueness as intelligent beings capable of comprehending this immensity. This is seeing unlimited greatness. For millennia, astronomy has been the cradle of science. From the first observations of ancient civilizations to modern space telescopes, every step in the study of space has led to revolutionary discoveries. We have learned that the Earth is not the center of the universe, that the Sun is just one of billions of stars in our galaxy, the Milky Way, which is in turn one of trillions of galaxies in the observable universe. These discoveries continually challenge our ideas about ourselves and our place. A cosmic perspective helps us see the Earth as a fragile but incredibly valuable blue marble in a vast black space. It can be humbling and at the same time inspire greatness by emphasizing the uniqueness of life and the need to preserve it. A cosmic perspective, changing your mind. Being immersed in the scale of the universe has a profound effect on our thinking and perception of the world. Confronted with the vast distances and scales of space can evoke a sense of profound humility. Our daily concerns, conflicts, and even entire civilizations seem insignificant in the face of the vast ocean of space. Yet this seeming insignificance paradoxically underscores our greatness. We are specks of dust in the universe, but specks of dust that can think, question, explore, and even leave our home planet. This unique ability makes our existence so valuable. A cosmic perspective often helps reduce interpersonal and interstate conflicts. When astronauts look at Earth from space, they see a single, seamless world without borders or divisions, often called the overview effect. This understanding of our common destiny on this small planet can inspire cooperation and peaceful coexistence. Problems that seemed insoluble on Earth may seem less significant in the context of the boundless cosmos. Space is an endless source of inspiration for science, technology, and art. Questions about the origin of the universe, the search for extraterrestrial life, and the possibility of colonizing other planets push humanity to develop new technologies, expand the boundaries of knowledge, and stimulate scientific progress. It is a perpetual motion machine that encourages us to constantly learn and explore. We are literally made of stardust. The elements that make up our bodies, carbon, oxygen, iron, were formed in the cores of massive stars that exploded billions of years ago. This knowledge creates a deep sense of connection with the entire universe, emphasizing that we are not just inhabitants of Earth, but part of a grand cosmic dance. Seeing Earth as a fragile, living oasis in the cold, hostile environment of space gives many a deeper appreciation for its uniqueness. This perspective heightens our understanding of the need to protect our planet and its ecosystems. Space reminds us that we have no backup home and that preserving Earth is our first duty. Space exploration, past, present, and future. Space exploration is an ongoing adventure that continually expands our horizons. With the help of powerful telescopes on Earth and in space, such as the Hubble Space Telescope and the James Webb Telescope, we study distant galaxies, black holes, exoplanets, and the origins of the universe. Not only do these studies answer fundamental questions, they often lead to unexpected technological breakthroughs. From the first human spaceflights to the moon landing, rovers exploring Mars and sending probes to distant planets, space missions allow us to directly study other bodies in the solar system and obtain unique data. The question, are we alone in the universe, is one of the most intriguing. Projects to search for extraterrestrial civilizations, explore exoplanets, and study the conditions necessary for the emergence of life continue with renewed vigor. Space, with its endless mysteries and possibilities, remains one of the greatest sources of inspiration for humanity. It reminds us of our capacity for knowledge, the importance of cooperation, and the endless horizons that await us beyond our home planet. It encourages us to dream, explore, and always look up. Mysteries of the universe, from the Big Bang to dark energy. Our understanding of the cosmos has evolved from simple observations to complex cosmological models that attempt to explain its origin, evolution, and ultimate future. Modern cosmology, based on the Big Bang theory, describes the universe as something that emerged from an incredibly dense and hot state about 13.8 billion years ago and has been expanding ever since. However, despite significant advances, many fundamental questions remain unanswered. We know that the visible matter that makes up stars, planets, and everything else we can observe makes up only about 5% of the universe. The remaining 95% is made up of mysterious substances we call dark matter and dark energy. Dark matter does not interact with light, and its existence is inferred from its gravitational effect on visible matter. It is a kind of cosmic glue that holds galaxies together. Dark energy, even more mysterious, is the force responsible for the accelerating expansion of the universe. Understanding the nature of these mysterious components is one of the greatest challenges in modern physics and astronomy, and unraveling these mysteries could completely change our understanding of reality. The future of space research and exploration. The future of space exploration promises to be no less exciting than the past. Humanity is actively preparing to return to the Moon as part of the Artemis program, which will be an important step towards further exploration of the solar system. The next big goal is a manned flight to Mars, which could become a reality in the coming decades. Colonizing the Red Planet, or creating permanent bases on the Moon, opens up prospects for long-term human presence in space, as well as for using the resources of other celestial bodies. In addition to manned missions, robotic probes and telescopes will continue to play a key role in expanding our knowledge. Missions to icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn, such as Europa and Enceladus, aim to find oceans beneath their surfaces that could potentially harbor extraterrestrial life. Advances in technology are allowing us to build increasingly powerful and sensitive telescopes that can peer further into the universe's past and detect even more exoplanets, some of which may be similar to Earth. This is raising hopes for the discovery of signs of life beyond our planet. Space tourism, once a fantasy, is slowly becoming a reality, offering ordinary people the opportunity to experience the cosmic vista for themselves. The rise of private space companies and the falling cost of space launches are making space more accessible. This could lead to a new era of space economics and inspire a new generation to study science and engineering. Space exploration is not only a scientific and technological challenge, but also a moral one. Questions about the ethics of space colonization, the protection of extraterrestrial environments from pollution, and potential contact with extraterrestrial civilizations require deep reflection and global cooperation. Space challenges humanity, demanding the best of us: curiosity, ingenuity, cooperation, and the desire to learn.
If you'd like to support the channel and help us keep pushing forward, there are links in the description where you can donate. Every contribution helps us reach more people, do more good, and keep this mission alive. There's also a store down below where you can grab something for yourself, or even better, a gift for someone you care about. It's a simple way to spread love and let someone know they matter. We're all just trying to grow, to become better, to rise above the noise and step into who we're really meant to be. And I truly believe change is possible, the kind of change that creates a ripple effect and helps others see the beauty still left in this world. This channel is about real growth, real transformation, and I'm here to give you a front row seat to what that looks like. Raw, honest, and grounded in purpose. God is within all of us, and my goal is simple: to reflect that light as clearly and powerfully as I can, for you and for the world around us.